Congratulations on purchasing your ImmerSUN self-consumption controller. You are now well on the way to achieving significant savings through diverting your excess PV energy to your chosen heating sources or appliances. In this video, we will show you the ImmerSUN's basic user functions. This information will allow you to effectively control your hot water usage and monitor the system performance, while also guiding behavioural change to maximise your savings potential. The main screen shows the status of the ImmerSUN. Once the ImmerSUN is connected and operational, it should display the correct date and time. To the right, the Savings Today icon will alternate between kilowatt hours and financial savings in the set currency. The current heater displays the symbol for the heater being heated along with the heater number. Heater power shows the amount of power currently being sent to the heater. When the heater has reached its set temperature, the kilowatt value will display hot. To the left is the grid power icon that will show the amount of power importing or exporting, depending on which direction the arrow is pointing between the grid and the house symbols. The house in the centre of the screen will be happy if no power is being imported. Otherwise, a straight face will be displayed. Arrows either side of the house show the direction of power. The X exits or cancels screen selection. The hand symbol indicates manual boost. To access manual boost, press the up arrow. The money symbol indicates savings in the set currency. To access the savings menu, press the down arrow. The list symbol indicates the main menu option. To access the main menu, press the tick button. Boost timed. Boost times enables you to program your heater to heat at certain times. Boost means that the heater will be at full power regardless of the amount of available export power. To access the boost, select the menu by clicking the tick button. Select your boost times depending on your bath and shower times. You will also need to consider your hot water requirements for days when there is no solar heating. Change the times by pressing the up and down arrows and tick buttons. And select the day of the week you wish to action the boost times. You can also select which heater to boost. Please note, if you want to set a time over midnight, you will need to create two individual timers, one that stops before midnight and one that starts shortly after. Once you have finished, press the X button to exit. Boost manual. A heater can be boosted to full power for a short period regardless of the amount of available export power. This function is called manual boost. To activate manual boost, press the up arrow button below the hand symbol to select the heater to boost. You can change the time using the up and down arrow buttons. Note that the unit will default to 1 hour. If you wish to cancel the boost, press the X button followed by the tick button. Boost has now been cancelled. You will then see that the boost will stop importing from the grid and return to just an excess solar diversion. Set tariff. Once your ImmerSUN is installed, you should confirm that the correct tariff is entered into the unit. The tariff indicates the price you are currently paying for your power per kilowatt hour, so you may need to refer to your latest power bill. From menu, select Set Tariff. Once you are in the Set Tariff menu, you can check that the correct currency symbol is selected, as well as the current tariff rate. Press the up and down arrows to change the currency symbol and values. Press the tick button to move through the decimal places. If you have received notification by your electricity retailer of an impending change to your power price, you can enter a new value to the from date of when the change will come into effect. Once you have finished, press the X button to exit. Savings. The savings that have been made by the ImmerSUN are stored in permanent memory. They include savings made today, this week, this month, and this year, as well as the total since the unit has been installed. Savings data can be displayed as a list or in a graph. For the savings data to be correct, you must keep your tariff up to date. To view your savings, press the down arrow from the main screen. From here, you can use the down arrow to make your selection. Pressing the tick button will display any of your selections. For example, a year, this month, week, and today. Once you have finished, press the X button to exit. You can also view the savings data by pressing the tick button to access the main menu to do the same. Holiday mode. The ImmerSUN can be set to holiday mode when you are away from home to stop the unit from heating, and will override any existing boost times. To enable holiday mode, select the menu by clicking the tick button. Press the down arrow to select holiday mode and press the tick button. Press the tick button again to put the ImmerSUN into standby. No power will be diverted to the heater in this mode. Please note that when you arrive back home, you will have no hot water, therefore you will need to run a manual boost. You will see that the heater symbol has now disappeared and the arrow shows the excess energy exporting back to the grid. Do not press the X button to exit. To resume normal operation, press the X button twice and start a manual boost by pressing the up and down arrow buttons and select the heater to ensure the heater receives a full power boost to reach temperature. To boost the heater, power will be drawn from the PV system with any additional energy coming from the grid. A large heater may require a longer boost time. You can adjust the time of the manual boost by using the up and down arrow buttons. If you wish to cancel the boost, press the X button followed by the tick button. That concludes the ImmerSUN's basic user functions. Should you require any further information, please refer to the installation and user guide or contact your local installer.